talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your American Best and Videos app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps, then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for American's Best Picture and Videos app. So just click on it here or just click on search, then here add American's Best Pictures and Videos app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just uh, go to your Play Store, you go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store, you search here for American's Best Pictures and Videos app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,